affordable off-road recovery. We have a call from the PD, and it's an accident. As you notice, it's already high in traffic, and I think it's in the next slide. We see how big is this accident. We see how big is this accident in a few minutes. Okay. Looks like it's already cleaned up the street. Pero but we're going to cap them a little bit. That's the truck we get signed up or sign us. Well, let's go see. Okay, Chepo. Este va a estar. Espérame tantito. Ok, espérame. A ver, ahora sí. A ver, oye, ¿esta cuál es? Pues poquito, porque ya no hay nada para poner los audiencias. Sí, this is economy towing. Actually, affordable off-road recovery. Economy is mama.
That's a good job, eh?
Who?
Sacó
¿Con qué?
el team, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Sacó todos con su ese.
Sacó todos con su... They take it out with the stinger, right?
Así que estuvo bien, no tuve que limpiar allá.
Yeah, that guy is a great guy. He does a really good job.
Express arrive?
Express arrive? Oh, yes.
You got arrive, okay.
I had... Yes. I think that's it. You know, the guy that we're talking about, he did a good job. He come first and clean it before we get there, especially in this time of the hours. You can see it's a lot of traffic. Is accidents. You know, it's more possible accidents. But anyway, I think we make done this cleanup. Was really easy. We just had to go to the yard. It was a little hard to put in the top. It was really crunchy in the front. Yes, let me see what he wants, Chepito. Okay, my friends, we just got to the yard.